Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at Koupon AI, a site that promises to help you save money by offering deals and discounts on trending AI tools. But the real question is Koupon AI legit or is it just another scam in disguise? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my own research and opinion. As always, do your own due diligence before trusting any online service. According to Koupon AI, the platform is a curated marketplace for AI deals. It features exclusive coupons and discounts for AI tools in categories like image generation, writing, video editing, and automation. Their goal to help creators, developers, and entrepreneurs discover new tools while saving money in the process. The website is clean, fast, and easy to browse, which is a good start. I checked the site through Scam Advisor and it actually scores pretty well. It receives a lot of traffic, ranked high on Tranco, it has a valid SSL certificate, DNS filter flags it as safe, several positive reviews have been found online. But there are a couple of minor red flags. The owner is using whois privacy protection, which isn't unusual, but it does reduce transparency. The register used is also used by some spammers, though that doesn't mean Koupon AI itself is involved. So is Koupon AI legit? Based on what I've seen, it looks legit and safe to use. The site seems genuinely helpful if you're exploring AI tools and want to avoid overpaying. Just be smart about the specific deals you click on and always verify before entering payment information. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.